Oh my god, this is huge.
Those are free.
Those are free?
Yeah.
What if I bought them all?
Okay.
That's what you wanted, so.
Yes, I'll even give you the
Would you-
Rubbermaid. There's 2 in here I didn't pull
Would you do a
out.
bundle deal if I buy them all?
Absolutely. There's 2. I got a number in my head. What are you thinking? That's how I play the game.
It's Slug Buster. Yeah. Knockout punch set, Rob. Yeah, I'm looking at it. $150. Is it? Nothing wrong with the tool. Yeah, I do it for $50. Yes, sir.
What do you have on this?
$5.
All right, I'll give you $5 for it.
That's yours. We'll do 50 for that. Yeah, that's fine. Give it to him.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a fair deal.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you.
For the baby, those 2 things.
Good morning. I'm a little early today. You mind if I take a look? Okay. Oh my god, this is huge. Stuff. Did you do the sale last year?
What's that?
Did you do the sale last year?
No.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. How much is your shirt?
Anything in those boxes are 50 cents.
50 cents. All right. How much are the boots?
$2.
$2.
They're gonna like the work I put on today.
All right. $3. Nah, don't worry about it, man.
I need to grab some stuff on.
Didn't get to the part where I get changed yet.
No problem. All right, thank you guys.
Oh, wait, you need it back?
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, baby.
That's cool.
Community yard sale, yeah, baby.
Oh. This thing's only $1. What the heck? Brand new? Yeah, all dead.
Oh,
Ma'am, I'm grabbing this too.
okay.
$1. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got up here Timberlands for $2. This chill chest for $1. And a Rays shirt. Morning.
Hey.
How you guys doing today?
So far, so good.
You guys been busy? Oh, that pump's cool. This is also cool.
That's it. Put that on the wall to hang your keys.
What is that?
Yeah. Key.
Oh, oh, for your keys. That's actually really cool.
I used it for a number of years. It worked
Yeah.
well. Watch this.
Yeah, I'm a hustler.
Done it for years.
Yep.
Brand new, never been out of the box.
Never out of the box, huh?
Well, yeah, somebody opened it up while ago.
Oh, okay.
Make sure it was in there.
Gotcha, gotcha. Morning.
This is pretty cool. It is straight up hybrid duffel bag.
Yeah, we just purchased it a month back.
That's what I have. I just got one yesterday. I don't have
Stormtrooper. That's cool.
This is actually, these are the schools.
Your art, you can part with your art.
Yeah. I mean, it's sitting in the garage. So you see. So those are the cells. This is Crater Lake, Oregon. That's California coast here. And those are more Oregon. That's
You guys take 5 for that?
You're in the middle of nowhere. It was like my first experience
Yeah.
actually
Okay.
thinking like,
Cool.
there's no gas station.
Appreciate you working with me.
Yeah.
And I finally got to a little town in Lincoln, Oregon.
Oh,
Here you go.
I was able to fill
Enjoy.
up. But I think
Good luck in your sale.
my only saving.
Good morning. Morning.
Yeah.
You guys doing okay today?
Yeah,
You're the first person.
First person? Awesome. Oh, these
Take it
are
all.
these are interesting.
Take it all.
Carolers. Huh. What do you have in the carolers? Those pieces. Briars.
There's a former someplace in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I'm from PA.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She's from PA.
Oh, where in Pennsylvania you from?
Right outside Philadelphia.
Where?
I don't like to say it. Delaware County.
Okay. I'm from the downtown area, but
Okay,
Lehigh
cool.
Valley. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's why I was curious. Grew up by Lehigh.
I moved here way before. I mean, people make fun of people from.
Yeah.
I got out.
It's funny. My buddy down here is from Delco too, so
So we both got out.
yeah. Oh, this Winnie the Pooh's cool.
I guess I would say $5.
$5 a piece, okay. Do you have more Disney stuff? I saw the Pooh.
No. That we just stumbled upon.
That's a cool piece. Winston Churchill. So, question for you. Before you put them all out, what if I bought them all?
Okay.
That's what you wanted, so.
Yes, I'll even give you the
Would you-
Rubbermaid. There's 2 in here I didn't pull
Would you
out.
do a bundle deal if I buy them all?
Absolutely. There's 2 I
Okay.
didn't pull out.
Okay.
Because they're a little damaged.
Okay.
He lost his stuff, and
Poor
she
guy.
broke her nose.
Domestic dispute? Hopefully not. All right. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and then 2 broken ones.
2 broken ones. I got a number in my head. What are you thinking? That's how I play the game with him.
40 bucks?
I was thinking 50.
50? Okay.
Okay.
Well, how about this? Would you do 55 and with the Pooh? $5 with the Pooh, and I'll pay the 50 for that?
Sure.
Deal. I'll take them.
All right.
Oh, I tried to stop you right before I was.
No, this is.
All right, cool. Well, that worked out well for you, right?
Yes, it does.
Let me see what else you guys got here. So you got a bunch of Vera Bradley.
Yeah, it's a mixture of a bunch of stuff in there.
Yeah. Fishing reels.
Hey, John. Got a lot of furniture too if anybody's looking for furniture. $1 each.
Have you been doing good with your tools?
Those were all my dad's, and that's what's left of them. He had millions of tools, but they were at my mom's. I brought them all over here.
You didn't want them, huh?
I took everything I could get in my toolbox. I took.
What's the story in the crest? Do you know by any chance?
That's like Sheila. What's the story on this? That's like really old.
Yeah. I saw the crest on here.
My mom was originally from Ireland.
Okay.
And she went to the Belfast Royal Academy.
Okay.
And that's the jacket from it.
Really? So
Yeah.
do you have a? I mean, I can tell by the tags it's old.
It's very old.
Do you have maybe like a time frame on that?
I would say, I'm gonna say 1942-ish.
Wow. Okay. What do you have on that?
$5.
Sold.
Okay. We've done that at a couple of yard sales, and my oldest daughter's like, "Well, Mom, maybe someone who's into Harry Potter will buy it."
So it's so funny you said it. First I was like, is that a Harry Potter jacket? Oh my God, you got a Penn State stool?
Yes.
Oh, Penn State. Man. I came to the right yard sale today.
And it was funny when my husband asked me to pull out this table. I'm like, okay. And I was putting all these down. I'm like, okay, I only have 2 minutes. I said, I don't think this guy is a collectible. It's like, over there, you proved me wrong.
Don't judge a book by its cover, right?
Well, I saw you looking at the golf clubs. I'm like, nah, he's looking for stuff like that. And then this also has a little stand. Oh, here.
Oh, cool.
I didn't put it in yet.
Okay, the stand.
Has a little stand.
Excellent.
Display. Like this was all my mom.
Oh, what is socks? 25 cents for sockets. Each, everything in here is 25 cents?
Well, if they have if they're bigger.
Oh, gotcha. They got marked. So that one's marked.
No. That's these little ones, all these. It's these real big ones, but everything else is 25 cents.
Oh, man.
The world price that what's on there.
Yeah.
But
These are all 25 cents?
yeah, all the sockets, except these real big ones.
All right. Man, you guys are just giving me deals today, so I can't leave. Anytime I pick up Craftsman sockets, I try to pick them up. Do you have a price you just want for the box instead of me going through? Do you have a price you want for the whole box at all? Craftsman.
$100.
$100.
And I'll give you everything that's
Yeah.
in the box.
Yeah, I was more just interested in like the smaller sockets, so I think I'll just pick some out then.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you though. This was a community yard sale and I realized I was wasting too much time just picking out sockets. I need to get to the next sales. So I decided to pull out the big pieces and try to make an offer and everything. All right, so if I took this stuff out, you have 50 bucks on all this stuff. What would you do for the rest of that then? 40 bucks? For the rest of the thing. This is 50 bucks. That was in that box. I took that out originally.
Okay.
Would you just do 40 bucks for the box of sockets?
That's fine.
Cool. Instead of me going through and just picking them out, I figured it might be easier just to... Can I take the container too?
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Just be careful picking
Yeah.
It's heavy.
All right, I'm ready to cash out with you then. Future Rod here. Now, before you guys make a comment about me picking up these sockets, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, Rod, if you just want to count out each one of these sockets, you probably would have paid less than 40 bucks. And you're probably right. And at this point, time is money and I need to get on to the next sale. So I don't mind paying 40 bucks for all these sockets because they give me a lot of really good deals at the sale. I was able to just get those and go. There's a lot of vintage sockets in here, a lot of Craftsman, a lot of other high quality sockets. We should do really well. What are we at? So we were at
50,
60.
60 here.
Yep.
And then we got the Vera Bradley stuff.
I didn't see prices on some of those, so I wasn't sure.
25, 25. We got 5 on this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll just do 9 for all this?
Sure. All right, so we're at 69 here?
Yes.
Plus 40. So 109.
109.
I'll pay the boss. I'll pay you or pay the boss.
I don't get to touch the money.
Thank you. Have a good day.
My wife would be like, no, you're paying me. So, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys working with me today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Those are free.
Those are free?
Yeah.
We're not selling
We're not selling alcohol, but
giving it away.
it was given to us and we didn't drink it.
I can't vouch for the flavor. I've never tried it.
Oh, that'd be a first. Free booze at a garage sale. I mean, it'd be rude for me to say no to that, wouldn't it? I mean, so.
You don't want to offend them.
I really don't want to. Yeah, you're right. I don't want to offend you guys. So I will take these off your hand.
All right. All right.
I gotta find something to buy. Can't just take your booze and run.
The last guy did.
Yeah, the last guy.
So it's one of those air mattresses that you bring to the
Wait, you had more you guys gave away earlier?
Yeah.
you
would have taken
you
that.
open it up and you just go like
I didn't
this,
pull those out
and then
yet.
the air goes in it. You close it up, and then you're on a. I just showed.
It's just like a big pillow that blows up
Here,
in the
I'll
wind.
show you the picture. I just showed
Zip it.
another.
What do you have on it?
$3.
$3.
All right, I'm gonna buy that.
Nice.
Gotta buy something.
Nice. It works. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Enjoy.
I'll play with it as I.
While you're drinking your cider.
While I get drunk, I will play. I'll play this.
When you're drunk.
There we go.
I'll be able to
But if you get botulism, we don't want to hear about it.
Yeah. Garage sale season is finally back. So we're going to be hitting up tons of community sales. You're going to see a lot more garage sale content. It's finally that time of year here in Florida where we have tons of garage sales and they are bangers. And this is just the beginning. We absolutely killed it today at these garage sales, as you saw in the video. If you guys know any information about the jacket, I think it's wool. The tag says James on it. It's definitely vintage. She says it's from the 1940s. So please let me know in the comments. We have plenty more footage from this community sale that you guys will see in future videos. So I do appreciate each and every one of you guys are watching. Please make sure that you guys do like and subscribe. It really does help out this channel. Make sure you guys check out our second channel, Flipping and Punching. This is more the business side of things so you guys can see what these items are actually selling for and when we sell them, how much we're selling for. Great way to learn about the business. I'll put a link down below. Make sure you guys go subscribe and check out that channel. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.